few days back, someone called me, book an appointment. When the appointment was booked, I had to reach out to him and we spoke about some things, but their visa was rejected, their Canada study permit. So normally the wife was applying for a Canada study permit, and the bank statement that the husband gave to the wife was literally having a lot of money inside, like back-to-back transfers. I saw back-to-back transfers, very huge amounts. So I'm here today to tell you that even if you have a lot of money or more than the amount of money you need in your bank account for you to apply for a Canada study permit, your visa will still be rejected. Okay, this is the reason why your visa will be rejected for Canada if you have excess money, more than the money you need. Point number one, the money in your account does not actually reflect how much you earn. For example, if you are earning maybe 500,000 CFA francs or 500,000 naira, and your bank statement shows maybe 18 transactions, maybe 1, 2, 3 consecutively, like 700, 800, 900, 1000, 700, 600, 500, 600, 600. You understand? For that particular month, it is not true. It can never be true. Yes, it can never be true because you cannot earn 500k a month and you do 10 transactions in 1 month. It's not possible. Now, it could be that you have a business, but if you do not explain in your letter of explanation and put supporting documents, your visa will be rejected. All right, put supporting documents to show that you have a business, your visa will be rejected because the regular influx in your bank account does not reflect what you say you are earning. I hope you understand. So you need to prove extra where you are getting extra money from. They don't want you to put this money in your account to be in such a way as if you stole the money. Yes, that is what the government doesn't want. So if you need a one-on-one appointment with me, let me know in the comment section of this video. Then we are going to carry on from there. I will give you the booking details. Now, another reason why your visa will be rejected is if you do not prove that you are going to leave Canada after your stay. If you do not prove that you are going to step out of Canada after your program ends, you are not going to be given the visa even if you have excess money. How are you going to prove that you are going to leave Canada after your programs end? Did you actually illustrate this on your letter of explanation? Okay, did you actually explain to them why you are going to Canada? All those things. Then another thing is related to home ties, which is still almost related to the second point. Home ties include your parents, your brothers and sisters. All right. If your parents have medical conditions that you can prove from the hospital, of course, you attach the document. Then you also, if you are married with kids, then you bring the kids' birth certificate and your marriage certificate. These are going to help you a lot. All right. Home ties does not necessarily mean only with family. You have family ties, business ties. If you own a business or businesses, bring their documentation, bring registered documents. Okay. If you have maybe a real estate firm, if you own a business, a big one like maybe a real estate, caterpillars and all the rest, show proof of everything. Those are things to lands, houses, landed properties. Bring all documents to the bench, to the table, so that they can understand what you are talking about. Then also draft them and explain very well. Then program choice is also very important. I have talked about this many times, and like I said, the complete video is going to be on my YouTube channel. So please verify from there. Program choice is very important. You graduated with bachelor's in biology 4 years ago, but now you are working as an accountant. So what you are going to be looking at is applying for a program related to accounting, not biology. I hope you understand. If you've been watching my videos, you would understand every detail I have been saying. Guys, please watch the complete video channel today. If this is your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post the next video, you would be the first to watch. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about another university in the United States of America where you can apply first without an application fee. There is no application fee you are going to be paying to this university. And also, you do not need what is called SAT exams or the SAT scores and stuff like that. You do not need all of that. Then equally, you also need to understand that some students are usually asked the GMAT exam, but in this case, you are not going to be submitting the GMAT score. They don't need it. But if you are going to be doing nursing, you have to write the SAT exam or the SAT exam. It is very, very important. Now, before I proceed with the video, my name is Milton. Please subscribe down here and make sure you support the movement. It is very, very important to us. And do not forget to share this video with one person. So if you are looking for opportunities to migrate, if you are looking for bachelor's, master's or PhD, this is a video for you. Now, application deadline is November 15 and the other deadline is February 1st. You just need to check the programs to see which program actually ties with the application deadline you are going to be doing. Or let's say you need to check the programs to see which one is your own program deadline so you know what to do. So that is what you need to know. Now, let's talk about some of the scholarships available because this is very important for us. In case you want to apply for this school, first of all, what is the name of the school? The school name is called Norwich University. The same spelling like Norwich in UK, Norwich, all right? But this Norwich is not in the UK, it is now in the United States of America. So if you want to apply to this school, understand that there are various scholarships you have to explore. And again, when applying, know that people who have at least 3.6 GPA on 4.0, there is a scholarship available for them, which is between 30,000 to 36,000. That's they give you 30,000 every year, 6 years. If you are studying for 6 years, if you are studying for 2 years, if you are studying for 4 years, if you win such a scholarship, they will give it to you every year, $30,000 every year. And this is for people with 3.6 GPA on 4. Now, if you are applying to this school, you should understand that those people that are going to be awarded the scholarship worth $28,000, they are people with a GPA of 8.4, I beg your pardon, to 3.99. Even if you are studying for 1 year, they are going to give you this scholarship. If you are studying for 2 years, 3 or 4 years, it depends, but that is the amount you are going to be receiving every year. If your GPA is found between 3.5 or 3 to 3.5, you are going to be receiving a scholarship of around $27,000. Everybody in this school, they have to receive this scholarship. This is how the school puts it. Then if your GPA is between 2.5 to 2.99 and you manage to receive the scholarship, then you are going to get $25,000 per year. Depending on the number of years, you are going to be getting this every year, the smaller amounts of money. Then if you are programmed, there are still scholarship for those who are going to be winning, or let me say there is a scholarship of $1,000, another one of $1,000 and another one of $5,000. It depends, but everybody admitted to this school, they somehow get a scholarship. So you need to put all of this into consideration and then you think about it. Now, what about the programs? The programs here include accounting, architecture, biochemistry, biology, criminology, economics, history, computer science, computer technology, information technology, psychology, history, economics, are arranged alphabetically in alphabetical order, all right, like from top to bottom. So that is how the programs are arranged. You do not need anything like GRE or GMAT, okay? But remember, I have said that you should check specific programs website because some programs may not have the same requirements as others, but if you do not check the websites, you may not know what they are asking you to do. So please, or when you have to apply, so check the program you are interested in, check their requirements, then check the website. It is important. I'm equally going to be adding the link below in this video description box. If you need a one-on-one consultation with me, please check the video description box so we can talk about that. It's very important. Now remember, I have always said that if you want to apply to grad school, try by contacting supervisors because it is very important. Very important. For those who haven't done PhD, they won't understand what I mean. But again, try to contact supervisors because if you get an appointment from a supervisor or directly go in through the supervisor, there are chances that you may end up grabbing a scholarship. But I'm not saying that every school that you apply to, you are going to get the scholarship. It just depends. They can still look at their documents and they still not meet, you still not meet the requirements. So it depends now on the school. It depends on the school in which you want to go in for. We've talked about everything. We talk about the requirements are not the same. Those going for bachelor's degree, you are using your high school certificate, and those going for master's degree are using high school certificates alongside the bachelor's degree. So you need to put all of this into consideration. It is important. I hope this video helps you. Till we meet again in another one.